I told you Toyota just built a 300k motorhome that can go completely off-grid for WEKS, hits 60 mph in under 7 seconds, and gets better gas mileage than your Honda. Yeah, I'm dead serious. This ain't your grandpa's RV, this is a 480 horsepower BS that'll make you quit your lease and chase sunsets full time. The 2026 Toyota Nomad just dropped, and it's about to flip the entire game upside down. Stick around, cause what I'm about to show you is absolutely insane. And trust me, you're gonna wanna see what's hiding in the bathroom. Let's roll.
Welcome back to Nomad Wheels, the only spot where we test drive your wildest dreams on 4 wheels. I'm pumped you're here because today's video is different. We're diving deep into something Toyota's been cooking up in secret, and let me tell you, they've been eating their Wheaties. The 2026 Toyota Nomad just showed up, and it's like Toyota looked at every boring RV out there and said, nah, we're doing this our way. This thing is part luxury penthouse, part Mars rover, and all attitude. If you've ever dreamed about waking up to mountain views on Monday, beach sunsets by Wednesday, and desert stars by Friday, without roughing it like you're on Naked and Afraid, then buckle up, because this is your ride. The exterior, straight drip. First impression, this thing looks mean, like, I dare you to tailgate me mean. Toyota built this bad boy on their new heavy-duty global chassis, so it sits tall and proud like it owns every road it touches. That massive panoramic windshield, it's basically an IMAX screen for your life. You're not just driving, you're experiencing. Those LED headlights slice through fog like butter, and that roof-mounted light bar screams, I don't need the sun to see where I'm going. The whole body's wrapped in lightweight aluminum armor that laughs at whatever nature throws at it. Rocks, branches, hail, angry squirrels, whatever. Colors? Oh, they nailed it. Desert bronze that looks like money, glacier silver for that stealth vibe, or lunar gray if you want to look like you just landed from space. And peep those modular gear bays on the side. You can stash kayaks, bikes, fishing gear, whatever gets you hyped. That power awning, one button and boom. Instant patio anywhere you park. The interior, bougie meets brilliant. Step inside and prepare to have your mind blown. This ain't no cramped tin can, this is a whole vibe. The layout is genius level smart. Everything converts, dining table folds down, seats flip into beds, and there's storage hidden everywhere like a treasure hunt. The eco leather seats feel buttery smooth. The bamboo accent walls give off serious zen energy. And the ambient lighting. Bro, you can set the mood from chill coffee shop to romantic sunset with a tap. It's like someone put a high-end loft on wheels and said, go explore. Now the kitchen, chef's kiss. You've got an induction cooktop, no propane tanks needed, a smart fridge that tells you when you're low on snacks, a filtered water system, and a microwave. Everything runs off those beefy batteries and rooftop solar panels, so you can cook gourmet meals in the middle of nowhere while your neighbors are still hunting for a gas station. The bathroom, though, this is where Toyota flexed hard. Rainfall shower head, a dry flush toilet, zero smell, zero chemicals. And get this, a heated mirror so you still look fire even when you're off-grid for days. It's the little things, fam. Up front, the cockpit feels like you're piloting the Millennium Falcon. Wraparound digital displays, haptic feedback steering wheel, and every control right where you need it. This ain't driving, this is commanding. The power, absolute unit. All right, let's talk about what makes this beast move. Under the hood sits a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid cranking out 480 horses and a bonkers 550 lb-ft of torque. For a motorhome, that's basically superpowers. The smart AWD system switches between hybrid mode and full electric depending on terrain. Crawling through sand? It knows. Highway cruising? It adapts. The 10-speed automatic keeps everything smoother than butter, and the adaptive air suspension raises or drops on command. Lift it for trails, lower it for better aero on the highway. 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds in a motorhome. Let that sink in. You'll leave sports cars confused at red lights. And efficiency? Toyota's hybrid wizardry squeezes out up to 22 MPG. That's double what most gas-guzzling RVs get. Your wallet will literally thank you. The tech welcome to the future. This is where things get absolutely wild. Dead center of the dash is a 17-inch Nomad command center touchscreen powered by AI. Maps, diagnostics, entertainment, climate control. It handles everything and gets smarter with over-the-air updates. Built-in satellite connectivity means you're never really off-grid if you don't want to be. Stream movies in Death Valley, take Zoom calls from Yellowstone, flex on Instagram from literally anywhere. Voice control? Alexa, Google Assistant, or Toyota's own AI, just tell it what you need. Hey Toyota, dim the lights and make it 68 degrees. Boom, done. Those 45 kilowatt of solar panels and battery banks? You can dry camp indefinitely. No more hunting for RV parks or begging for shore power. You're energy independent like a boss. And parking this giant? The 360-degree camera system with bird's eye view makes it easier than parallel parking a Corolla. No cap. Safety locked down tight. Toyota didn't skip leg day on safety either. You get the full Toyota Guardian Plus suite. Adaptive cruise control that reads traffic, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, the works. Off-road mode is straight up NASA level. It monitors tire pressure, tilt angles, and traction in real time, tweaking everything automatically so you don't flip it on a sketchy trail. The frame is built like a tank with crumple zones and a rollover-resistant roof. Plus, there's an SOS satellite button if you're really deep in the wilderness and things go sideways. Toyota's got your back. The price worth every penny. Let's talk numbers. Base price starts around 280 KIs and can climb to about 350 KIs fully loaded. I know what you're thinking. That's a house. But hold up. Compare it to Winnebago Earth Cruiser or Airstream luxury rigs, and the Nomad is actually a bargain. Better tech, way better fuel economy, legendary Toyota reliability, and you can get it serviced at any Toyota dealer. No hunting for sketchy RV repair shops. Long-term costs, lower gas bills, zero campground fees if you don't want them, and it'll hold resale value like crazy because overlanding is blowing up right now. The packages. Build your dream. Toyota's got sick upgrade packages. Explorer Pack. Bigger all-terrain tires, beefier suspension, extra water tanks for serious off-grid missions. Luxury Pack. Massive skylight, heated massage seats, premium sound system that slaps. Tech Plus Pack. Drone launch pad, yes really. Starlink built in, even more solar capacity. Custom wraps, wild paint jobs, you name it. Add-ons can run another 20K, 50K easy, but you'll end up with exactly the rig you've been dreaming about since you were a kid. The verdict, absolute game changer. Bottom line, fam, the 2026 Toyota Nomad isn't just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It's freedom wrapped in aluminum with a Toyota badge. Tough as a Tacoma, luxurious as a Land Cruiser, and ready for literally anything you throw at it. Rock crawling? Check. Luxury glamping? Check. Full-time remote work from the desert? Double check. This thing does it all without breaking a sweat or emptying your wallet at gas stations. Toyota basically said, we're done playing it safe, and built the ultimate adventure machine for people who refuse to live boring lives. So there you have it. The Nomad is the real deal. Where are you taking this beast first? Baja? Alaska? Cross-country road trip? Drop your dream destination in the comments below. If this video got you hyped, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss when we drop the next banger. Share this with anyone who's been dreaming about life on the road. Thanks for rolling with Nomad Wheels today, fam. Until next time, stay wild, keep exploring, and remember, life's too short for boring roads. Peace out.